You know, if you eat a raisin with a walnut, it could pass as palatable.
Jamie, did you just call raisins palatable?
Oh God, what have I become?
A guy that likes raisins?
A guy that likes raisins? Testosterone, how could you?